This video will show you as a learner how to read aloud on the Chromebook. So here I am, I have had an assignment sent which is called Titanic, and I'm going to click on that and it will open up the Titanic video. Now I want this to be read aloud to me, so I am going to go to the bottom of the screen and I am going to click down here. I'm going to go to Settings, and once in Settings I'm going to scroll down under Advanced to Accessibility. I'm going to go to Manage Accessibility Features, and I'm going to enable Select to Speak. So what you can see is by pressing Search plus S, then it will allow you to select what you want to hear, highlight it, and then it will read it to you. So if I come out of that, now I've switched that on. If I then highlight what it is I want to hear and press Search plus S, it will now read it to me. It gives the option for the voice, and off we go. And you can see I have pause, and I can restart it just by simply pressing play.
Called an ocean liner. It took more than 2 years to build. When it was finished in 1911, it was the biggest passenger ship that had ever been built.
Now you can see as it reads it, it highlights so that the learner knows where they are. If you want to keep the accessibility tools open in the bottom menu, all you have to do is switch this button on, toggle that over so the accessibility options are in the system menu. When you go back down here, you'll see that now accessibility appears, and you can easily simply turn on Select to Speak, Dictation, and the other pieces that you want to do that without having to go into the full menu. It's just there in that bottom pop-up menu for you, but you do have to switch it on up here first of all. So that's a really quick and easy way for a learner to change the readability, and it will read it aloud to them simply by using the accessible tools that are built in on the Chromebook.